G'day guys, Damien from Defender 90 Orkney. Today I want to show you something that I've bought recently that is fantastic. It's a little Nanopresso from Wacaco, and it makes espresso grade coffee while you are camping. I'm going to take you through how you use it. So there's a couple of parts to the Nanopresso. There's the top. That's where the pods go in. I use the pods on these. You can use ground coffee, but just find it's a little bit easier to bring pods, and the Nano Presso pods are really good. So whack them in. That goes in there. Top goes on. This is a separate adapter that you have to get for the pods. And then you've got two parts down the bottom. You get a cup. There's a cup, and this is where your boiling water goes. The other thing to this is the pump. So that unscrews and comes out like that. So what I do is I've got a little jet boil, turn that on. I've got about a cup and a half of coffee in there. So I'll wait till that boils up. So as you saw before, I put the pot in the top. What you do is you put boiling water in this cup, which attaches to the bottom here. One thing with this is when you get it, you can't just push it on and think that it's going to stay there. The steaming water does something to it where you have to sort of twist until you feel it lock in, and then it's ready to go. Once you've got your water in there, all it is keeping the pump to you, getting your cup and pumping away, and what happens is that pressurizes through the pod and then gives you espresso coffee. So we'll just wait until this water boils up and I'll make a little coffee. Okay, so the jet boil's boiled the water, turn that off. Get your bottom cup. You fill it to the brim. Now this will do a short black basically, or if you get a frother and some milk, you'll make a latte out of it. So as you see, I twist that, that's not coming off now. Then the pump, you have to keep that pump to you because the water goes down this side. So start pumping. Smells good already. And that's it. Once you feel the pump go light, no more pressure, your coffee's done. So I'll show you how that looks. You've got the crema, everything. We get an espresso pods, so they're really good quality. I like a strong coffee. So that's it, Wacaco Nanopresso. I'm wrapped because we used to make Turkish coffee and wasn't the best. And then we started using some sort of like tea bag coffees, and they also weren't the best. I like a strong coffee with crema and all that. So this has solved my coffee problem when I've gone camping. So go check out the Nanopresso from Wacaco, it's fantastic.